welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Datia. We have with us Ria Singh, Senior Technical Analyst, Currencies, joining in. Ria, welcome to the show. Ria, my first question coming to you is with regards to what's happening, globally as well. You have central banks which have fastened their process with regards to rate hikes. Secondly, in terms of the FI flows into emerging markets like India is something which has slowed down. Inflation is a concern. Commodity prices are a concern. All of these aspects into consideration, how are you expecting the rupee to move? Because clearly, if you go to see it, I mean, the kind of move we've seen on the Indian rupee with the dollar versus other currencies.
If you look at the momentum of Indian rupee, like you said, the inflation is at all-time high. The crude oil prices are not relaxing as of such yet. And overall growth has also become a major concern. Now, why we are not seeing Indian rupee to depreciate much? Because if you look at the RBI actions, so they have been constantly intervening. As if you look at the actions before, you'll see that RBI used to intervene at least 3 months forward. At the premiums of even the 12-month forward contracts, they have fallen significantly. The contract which was trading at around 3 rupees, the 12th, the December contract or the 12th month contract, which was trading around, at a premium of 3 rupees and 50 paisa, is right now at 2 rupees 60 paisa. So significantly intervention is happening by the RBI in order to bring the long-term premiums down into the Indian rupee. So this is what is stating is that the RBI is working very significantly in order to maintain the Indian rupee in order to curb the Indian rupee depreciation. And also, if you look at the dollar index, it has relaxed quite a bit. We have seen it moving beyond 103. It was trading at around 102.25 in the early sessions. So quite a relaxation on the dollar index as well. So overall, the major depreciation that we are seeing into the Indian rupee is 78.25 at least on short to medium term. And the maximum appreciation that it could see is still 77. Overall, I think 78, 77 is the range that it could maintain going forward.
Right. So taking that range into consideration, how are you expecting the dollar index to move as well along with the other currencies? What's the view?
I think dollar index will remain between 104, 101 range because the Fed tightening that was there, that was announced, I think it has already been factored in. They have been quite clear about what kind of rate hikes they'll be doing and what will be the quantum of the liquidity extraction that they'll be doing out of the US economy altogether. So keeping that point into view, I think as far as US news is concerned, it is quite factored in. Now, of course, the Europe is coming forward with the rate hikes, which it has not done in last 8 years. So this is again significantly impacting the dollar index right now. So overall, I think it will remain in the range of 104 to 101. In the shorter term, it will relax towards the 101 levels.
Okay. And taking this into consideration, what are the strategies that you would recommend?
One could go long into the JPYINR. Now, if you look at the Japan, we were waiting quite a bit onto some actions by the government and the central bank. If you look at the momentum or the weakness that the Japanese yen was facing in the month of March and April was due to the significant sell into their bonds. Now, with the unlimited asset purchase program, the government has managed to get the yields down. So we could see some appreciation happening towards that side, and therefore you can buy into the JPYINR above the level of 61.12 for a target of 61.83. You can keep a very strict SL at 61.12 is the level that you can buy beyond. 60.83 is the SL, and the target that you can keep is at 61.37. The next strategy that you can go forward is going long into the EURINR. Now, EURINR will have a bullish momentum from here on. You can definitely go long into the EURINR above the level of 83, 86 with the target of 83.65, 83.95. So 83.36 is the level or the opening that you have to see. If it opens above and maintains that level, 83.65 and 83.95 could definitely be achieved. Keep a very strict SL at 82.95. You can sell USDINR. So this is with respect to the strategy for the June. You can short below the level of 77.78, keep a strict SL at 77.90 with the target at 77.55.
Right. So these are strategies that Ria is recommending as well. Ria, there's one question. Any offline course or training for USD INR if you can suggest?
I think there are some training videos that have been uploaded on our site as well. If you can just go through it, you'll at least get the basic crunch of the Forex market. And apart from that, I think you can join into the webinars. You can ask questions here, as well as I think there are various sites, Investopedia being one, where you can learn the basics of the Forex. Otherwise, I think Nirmal Bang YouTube channel is quite, significant into learning any basic parameters of the Forex market.
Absolutely. So that's something which you can consider as well. I hope that answers your queries. Thank you, participants. Thank you, Ria, for joining in.
Thank you, EURINR.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.